This is a kind of whitish cat with blue eyes, and it's actually more like so. This is a great exercise in getting those proportions right as well. So this is a different kind of fur here surrounding the eye. And again, pay attention that this area here is going to be lighter in value. And there's this line happening at the edge here. And the brow. So even a white cat will have the same markings on it as any other cat. So here, let's start again with the dark blue. I really like this grayish blue. Let's add those. And I think I'm going to use this for the shadow bits on my eye as well. And here, let's try to use even less colors. Like so. Then there's this shadow bit over here as well. Okay, and then this area. So now we're going in again with this blue color, which is going to be our darks. And also there's this darker area over here. So I'm going to use the same color also for the fur of this cat. This one, I'm just going to soften it just to give that indication of fur. And then we will go over it with some other grayish colors. Okay, so this is the main darks of our cat. Now I'm gonna go in with something very blue. So let's give this cat some blue eyes, and maybe we can go even like crazy blue. Let's see this one. Yeah, this is the color. So here I'm going to start adding those lights into the eye. And here we can blend them together with our dark, just to kind of create that transition. Again, going back to my dark, not to lose the shape of my eye. Like so. Adding that shadow in the eye, that's important, that we don't lose it, otherwise we will not have the shape of an eye. So, and now I'm going to add an even brighter blue into this area, which kind of reflects the light. Just a hint of this brighter blue. And let's go into our, this is another Jackson's color. This is a dark gray. I really like using it instead of like black. This one, let's blend it out slightly. Just accentuating that shape of the eye where I see those darks. Like so, and also here it's quite... Okay, and now we can go in with the lights. So I'm gonna use a very light blue to give that highlight to the eye, and this is a Sennelier blue. It looks almost white, but it's not white. And I'm gonna slightly, just a bit, maybe with a pencil, blend it here into the shadow, because it goes slightly darker, the highlight where the shadow is. And with a pencil we can also correct the shape, and I think I'm going to take a black pastel pencil just to make the shape sharper. because it's quite small, and with a soft pastel it's difficult to get those edges right. Okay. Here we can add some strokes indicating the hair. Like so. And now we can go into our lights, and I'm thinking of using something warm-ish. Not very, very warm, but something warmish to create that light. And let's see, maybe, or something warm gray. Let's check this. Yeah, this could maybe even warmer than that. Let's see here. Yeah, this is a perfect color for this cat's fur. So I'm going to add those lights in. Like so, just simple strokes and correcting the shape here. Okay, and then just a bit of this color here as well. And I think our eye is all ready. Can add maybe one of those like hairs hanging over just to indicate that the cat is hairy. And what I'm thinking is, what I would like to do also is take my dark blue, and let's see, maybe this is even darker. Yeah, this can work best. So here there's this darker area on the eye. So the closer we get to the highlight, the darker the eye becomes. And there we go, we have another eye ready.